Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. Today I would like to give a tutorial about account payable subsidiary ledger. Lotus Enterprise operate a business of selling children toys and had the balance of account payable at 1st January 2020. Account payable joint enterprise RM 8,000. So look at the transaction below. 6th of January, purchase merchandise from Senali Enterprise on credit, RM 15,950 with credit terms 2/15 and 30. We have to record in the purchase journal, debit purchase and credit account payable. So we look at the purchase journal. This is the format of purchase journal. So we record at 6th of January, Senali Enterprise 15,950. The next transaction, 10th of January, return merchandise RM 350 to Senali Enterprise because of damage. So we have to record in the general journal, debit account payable, credit purchase return. So this is the format of general journal. Debit account payable and credit purchase return 350. The next transaction, paid cash to Johor Enterprise to settle half of the debts. So we have to record in cash payment journal, debit account payable and credit cash. So we have to pay half of 8,000. So look at cash payment journal. Debit account payable, Johor Enterprise, credit cash 4,000. The next transaction, 18th of January, make payment by check to Senali Enterprise to the purchase made on 6th January. So we have to record in cash payment journal, debit account payable, credit bank, and credit purchase discount. We received purchase discount from Senali Enterprise because we had settled the debts within 15 days from 6th of January until 18th of January. So we have to record in cash payment journal, 18th of January, debit, account payable, Senali Enterprise, credit bank, 15,288 and credit purchase discount. We have to calculate purchase discount. What is the formula? So we take this amount, 15,950 less 350 times 2% and you get the amount 312. The next transaction, purchase merchandise on credit from Rembau Enterprise, RM 10,500 with credit terms 2/15 and /30. So we have to record in purchase journal, debit purchase credit account payable. So this is the transaction, purchase journal, 25th of January, debit purchase and credit account payable Rembau Enterprise, RM 10,500. Now we have finished record all the transaction. So we have to close purchase journal at the end of January, 31st of January. And for cash payment at the end of the month, 31st January. Now we have to post to the general ledger and subsidiary ledger. So we look at the account payable subsidiary ledger. Okay, for account payable subsidiary ledger represent all the transactions of the creditors. So how many creditors or account payable or supplier? We have 3 suppliers here. The first one, Johor Enterprise, the second Senaling Enterprise, and the third one Rembau Enterprise. So we look at Johor Enterprise. Johor Enterprise had the balance at 1st of January 8,000, and we have paid Johor Enterprise at 14th of January 4,000. So at the end of the month, Johor Enterprise had the balance with the amount 4,000. So this is the amount 4,000 for Johor Enterprise. The second one, Senaling Enterprise. We look at the transaction. The first one, Senaling Enterprise, 6th of January, debit, purchase, credit account payable. So we look at here, credit account payable. So we have to record in the account payables under Senaling Enterprise credit side. The amount is 15,950. The second one, 10th of January, debit account payable, credit purchase return. So we look at account payable for Senaling Enterprise. Debit, Senaling Enterprise at 10th of January, the amount is 350. So the double entry system, debit, Senaling Enterprise, credit, purchase, return. And the third transaction, made payment to Senaling Enterprise. Debit account payable, credit bank, credit purchase discount. So we look at the account payable debit. So the account payable represent for Senaling Enterprise. So debit, the amount for Senaling Enterprise, debit side, purchase discount, and bank. Purchase discount, the amount is 312. Bank, 15,288. Where do you get this amount? From purchase payment journal that we have calculated before. Now, the last one, the last supplier, Rembau Enterprise. The date of 25th January, debit, purchase, and credit account payable. Credit account payable, we have to record in the Rembau Enterprise credit side. So we look at the Rembau Enterprise, we have the balance at the end of the month. The balance carry forward 10,500. So this is the balance of Rembau Enterprise. Now we have to prepare account payable control account. Account payable control account is the summarize of all the account individuals under account payable subsidiary ledger. So look at the 1st January balance brought forward 8,000. We get the number 8,000 from Johor Enterprise. The second one, look at purchases at 31st January. The amount is 26,450. You get the amount from Senaling Enterprise 15,950 plus Rembau Enterprise 10,500. Then you will get the total purchase from the supplier is 26,450. The next one, we look at the cash. Cash in the debit side under account payable, we get this number from Johor Enterprise, 4,000. 350, we get the amount from Senaling Enterprise, 312 from Senaling Enterprise. Bank, 15,288 we get from Senaling Enterprise. So we have to close for account payable control account, the debit side and the credit side. We look at the credit side, the amount for credit side is bigger than the debit side, 34,450. The different amount here is 14,500. Where do you got this amount? We get the amount from Johor Enterprise 4,000 plus Rembau Enterprise 10,500. Then you will get 14,500. What is meant by account payable control account? Account payable control account in the general ledger is the summary of all individuals' account under account payable under subsidiary ledger. There are 3 accounts payable under subsidiary ledger, and you have to total all the amount in one control account that we call account payable control accounts. That's all for today. Thank you.